Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to get rid of someone else's Apple ID on your iPhone. Open Settings. Tap your name, or the previous owner's name, at the top of the screen. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap Sign Out. You then have to enter the previous owner's Apple ID password. The 12th of October 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you just want to remove the Apple ID signed into the iTunes Store and App Store on iPhone, you can do so without a password required. Step 1. Go to Settings greater than iTunes and App Stores. Step 2. Tap on the Apple ID and choose Sign Out, so the Apple ID will be removed immediately.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You cannot sign out of or delete an account without knowing the password. That's basic account security, so you will have to recover the account and reset the password first. The device is an iPhone 4 with iOS version 7.2.21 January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There is not a way you can reset an iPhone, wipe its data and use it as a fresh phone. Apple is strict at security. If an iCloud account has been logged in an iPhone, it cannot be resetted until you log out that iCloud account.
Let's help you make your mark.
Go to Settings, General, Reset. Erase all content and settings. That's because the apps that are requesting an update are ones downloaded with another Apple ID. You will not be able to update those apps without that Apple ID password. However, you can delete the apps, and then re-download them from the App Store. 19 January 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.